Hi everyone, it's CajunDIYDiva, and today we are at the Residence Inn in Maui. This hotel is not on the beach, but it is in Wailea, and near the beach. So it has full kitchen, has all the dishes and everything. Coffee maker. There's a toaster in there, you can't really tell. This cabinet's empty. But this cabinet, this glass cabinet, has dishes stuff. So, and it comes with this. So this is a good hotel to come with kids. There's a sofa bed, living area, desk, TV. Our view is not that great. This is room 213. But if you come way out over there, you can see the ocean. There it is. So come back inside. And here is, this is a queen suite. So 2 nice queen beds, open closet, a dresser for storage, mirror. Here's the bathroom. Big sink, toilet paper, blow dryer down into there, and the bathtub, nice big bathtub. So this is CajunDIYDiva. Thanks for watching.